Hey everyone, welcome back to Beauty of Fashion. Today we got an exciting topic for all fashion out there handbag. Whether you session of fashion or just getting the world of accessories, this video is for you. Will be diving into the world, the ultimate guide on choosing and styling the perfect handbag. So grab your favorite snack, sit back, and let's get started. First thing first, talk about the different type of handbag out here, from tattoos to clothes, their style for every occasion. We break down the most common type, discuss their feature, and help you figure out which one suit your lifestyle best. Size matter when it comes to handbag. Well, explore how to choose the right size based on your need and performance. Are you a minimum who just needs a incidental, or do you carry your whole world in your bag? We got tips in ensure you pick the perfect size for every solution. Now talk about the material. Leather, canvas, or synthetic material, each has its pros and cons. We'll discuss durability, maintenance, and how to choose a handbag that not only look fabulous but also stand the test of time. Handbags are a great way to add a pop of color pattern to your outfit in this segment. Will explore the how to choose the right color and pattern that complement your wardrobe, whether you prefer classic, natural, or bold statement. We got a tip to help you find this perfect match. Now that you've chosen the perfect handbag, talk about styling. We cover different ways to wear and carry your handbag depending on your occasion, from casual outing to formal event. We got a styling tips that will make you stand out in the crowd. Your handbag can take your style to the next level. We'll discuss the most have accessories like kitchen scareware and charm that add a personal touch to your bag. Stay tuned for same creative idea to make your handbag truly unique. And there you have it, your ultimate guide to choosing and styling the perfect handbag. I hope you find this tips helpful. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give a thumb up, subscribe to Beauty of Fashion for more fashion content, and let me know the comment which